Okay, here we are in section 12.5. We had the test on chapter 8 and then we skipped up. I wanted to cover this section here before the end. We're talking about the standard equation of a circle. And the standard equation of a circle, here we have it, x minus h, quantity squared, plus y minus k, quantity squared, equals r squared. Now, this h and the k make up the center. The center of our circle is going to be at that point, h and k. So those two numbers there are going to, the h here is going to be your x, the k is going to be your y value, and that's going to be the point which is the center of your circle. The r down here is going to be the radius. Now, on page 801, number 8, the center is going to be 2, -8, and the r is 9. And in the directions, they want you to write the standard equation of the circle. So you're given the center and you're given the radius, and you have to come up with the equation. So the first thing I'm going to write down is my standard equation, which is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. Now then, I'm going to plug in my numbers. I know that this 2 is going to be my h, and the -8 is going to be my k. So now I'm going to plug those in. This would be x minus 2, and then it would be quantity squared plus y minus, now then the k is a -8, so that would be -8, so minus a negative. And we'll take care of that here in just a minute. Equals then my radius, which is r squared. And so now I've got my numbers in. Now then we don't want two signs in a row. So we know this is going to become plus positive. So I'll go ahead then and write x minus 2 quantity squared plus y plus 8 quantity squared. That becomes plus, minus a negative becomes plus positive. So plus 8 quantity squared equals then 9 squared, which would be 81. And so that would be my answer for number 8. Given the center of the circle and the radius, coming up with the equation of that circle. And so we're using the standard equation of a circle, which is this. And always remember, your h and your k will be the center of the circle, and then your r, will be the radius. And so then you're just write down your formula, plug in for your h, plug in for your k, plug in for the r, and then make sure you simplify it, put it in simplest form to get your answer. And so that is number 8. It is one in your homework for Geometry Honors.